Today we're going to be making a no-bake blueberry pie. You have to have a quart of fresh blueberries. You can use frozen, but we have fresh today. 3 pie crust. These are graham cracker pie crust. Half a cup of lemon juice, a can of sweetened condensed milk, a large tub of Cool Whip, and today I'm adding some cream cheese to it. So we're going to mix all this up and pour it in our pie shells. Okay, I have it all mixed up. Cool Whip, cream cheese, lemon juice, and sweetened condensed milk. If you have my cookbook, go look under No Bake Blueberry Pie. Add a bar of 8-ounce cream cheese because that makes it hold even better. The original recipe didn't call for the cream cheese, but we added it today. Now for the berries. And we're going to add a quart of berries, and we're just going to fold these in, guys, a little at a time, and put it in the pie crust. You don't want to make these mushy. You just want to fold them in so that they're not mashed.
Going on, like Jaws. Here we go. There we go. Be careful of the reaction.
They gotta wait on me. That looked good, baby. Got to wait on me.
Looky here, looky here. It's not on.
Look at here.
Yes, that's a bigger piece of meat.
Okay, let's get this thing down here.
I did that on purpose.
Yeah.
Okay, so all 3 of us at one time, baby.
Here we go.
Okay. This is our no-bake blueberry pie. 1, 2, 3. What you think?
That's delicious.
Good.
No cooking involved in that one.
Yep.
I like the graham cracker.
The back.
That's right.
She's hiding from Danny.
There's one.
Around. I gotta have it on
No, you
crazy
gotta
days.
turn around.
We gotta have it on camera.
Okay.
You gotta have.
Isn't it good?
Don't chew your mouth open.
We don't allow that on Cream cheese makes it too.
It does.
It's nice, it's cool.
Guys, we have Memorial Day coming up, Memorial Day weekend. This pie, you can make them, 3 of them at a time with this recipe. Look for it in my book, my cookbook, Cooking Southern Style with Deep South Homestead. Add cream cheese. I didn't have it in that recipe, but add the softened cream cheese. Make you 3 of them. Take it to your Memorial Day weekend, whatever you do. These things are great, guys.
Because if you put them in the freezer, it even makes it better.
Yeah, they freeze. You can, if you don't need them, all 3 of them, freeze 2. Got company coming? Anybody coming to Deep South lately? Y'all gonna get a pie. Because I have 2 in the freezer. Let's see who the first person to come to Deep South and eat a pie is. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.